In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your e-commerce website into a catalog mode. So if you want to change your product pages into a catalog mode, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Why do you want to put your products into a catalog mode? There are instances the products you are selling will have fluctuating prices. For instance, cashew beans can be selling at $120 today, and in the next few days, it will be selling at $150. So you don't want your clients to make an order and at the end of the day you cannot fill the order simply because the prices has increased. And for you to tell the client that he needs to add extra amount in order to get the product is not good for business. So it will be important to put your products in a catalog mode such that they will always request for a code instead of just adding the product to cart. So we want to make it in such a way that the client will be able to request a code so that they don't have to add products to cart and go to checkout and make payments. Now, if you go to a single product page, you see that they can also increase the quantity and add the product to cart with this particular price at the moment. So we want to get rid of the price here, also remove quantity field, and then the add to cart button, we change it to request a code such that when users click on the request a code button, it will take them to the request a code form so that they fill in their details and send to us. Now, if you go back to the main product page, we can deal with the price by removing it when we go to customize. And the WooCommerce, go to product catalog, then scroll down. I can toggle off price. You see that. Now we are using Astra. There are some themes it won't give you the opportunity to toggle off the price. Even if you go to a single product, you won't get the opportunity to remove the price. So for this, we need to write some simple CSS in order to get rid of the price, even if your theme customizer will not help you. And the very CSS will also take care of the quantity field. Apart from the CSS, we also need a plugin that will redirect the add to cart button to the request a quote form. So I'll exit out of here. So first of all, let's take care of the prices here, and take note we also have featured products which are also displaying the prices. We'll get rid of all the prices here as well as here. And then if you go to the product page, that is a single product page, we'll get rid of the price there as well. So to do that, I go to customize. I'll scroll down to additional CSS, and this is where I will paste my CSS code. So I go to my CSS file, highlight all, copy. You will find this CSS code under the resources link in the description down below. So I go back here, paste. You see that the price is gone and the quantity field too is gone. Now let's go to product page. Prices are gone as well as on the featured products. So this is how we want to treat it. So the next thing to solve is change our button from add to cart to request a code on the main product page as well as on a single product page. So I publish this and I exit out of here. Alright, you see that the price is gone and the quantity field is gone as well. Now let's go and install a plugin that will give us the opportunity to change our button from add to cart to request a code. So I go to the back end of my website, then I go to plugins, add new. I enter WooCommerce direct checkout. So this is the plugin I'm going to install by Quad Layers, and it has over 50,000 active installations. Click on install now. It is installed. I activate. Plugin activated successfully. Now I go to WooCommerce and I click on settings. So in here I click on direct checkout. Now under added to cart alert, I choose yes. Added to cart link, I choose yes. Added to cart redirect, I choose yes. After choosing yes here, I'll see added to cart redirect to. So I choose a custom URL. So which URL do I want my visitors to go when they click on add to cart? So I'll go back to the front page of my website, then I click on request a quote and grab the link from there. So this is the link. I right click, copy, come back here, right click, paste. Perfect. You can also replace the cart URL by choosing custom URL. Then in here too, you paste the same URL and save the changes. Next, I go to archives. Take note, archives is the main products page. So replace add to cart text. Yes. And we are replacing add to cart text in simple products. So you can add all the products you have in your shop depending upon whichever ones you want to change into a catalog mode. Here in my website, I only have simple products. So I'll leave it as it is for now. And then replace add to cart text content. Make it request a code. Perfect. Then I click on save changes. Now if I go to the main products page, so instead of add to cart, my visitors will now see request a quote. Going back to WooCommerce settings, I'll click on products, and that is the single product page. Now replace add to cart text. I'll say yes, and then replace add to cart text content. I'll make it request a quote. So take note, this one is for the single product page. Now if I go to any of the products, I don't see add to cart yet. So after saving this, we'll now see the add to cart button being replaced by request a quote. So if I refresh this page now, you see that our button will now change to request a quote. Perfect. So that's it for all the settings we need to do in here. I can exit out of here. And now when my users click on request a quote button, it will take them to the request a quote form instead of the cart page. So this is how we change our products into a catalog mode, or our WooCommerce website into a catalog mode. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.